Ahééh Hwiindzin. Good evening, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be how to say Thanksgiving in Navajo. So you can say Thanksgiving 4 different ways. The first way you can say it is Tazhii Daadá, which means they are eating turkey. Tazhii means turkey, Daadá means people are eating it. The second way you can say it is Daaghał. Daaghał means people are eating it, but it specifically means meat. Daaghał. The third way you can say it is Késhmish Yázhí, which means little Christmas. The fourth way you can say it is Ahééh Hwiindzin, which means people are thankful. So to say Happy Thanksgiving, you can say it 3 different ways. You can say Ahééh Hwiindzin Binahji, or you can say Daadání, or you can say Nizhónígo Ta. Happy Thanksgiving. And that's today's Navajo word of the day. Tazhii Daadá, or Tazhii Daaghał, or Késhmish Yázhí, or Ahééh Hwiindzin for Thanksgiving. And have a good evening.